Well, today, the accused Fort Hood shooter, Major Nadal Hasan, will have to enter his not guilty pleas. That's because the judge won't further delay that trial. The military does not allow guilty pleas for charges with the death penalty. So the judge's ultimatum happened yesterday at a hearing when ruling on another delay motion. Enough is enough, he said. Jury selection set for Monday. The judge also fined Hasan again for continuing to sport a beard that is against U.S. Army regulations. Hasan is charged with killing 13 people and wounding more than 30 others in the 2009 attack on